This movement starts grandly, setting out its intentions immediately with the immovable timpani pulse providing the foundations for a twisted tension created by a taut, rising string unison, and a descending horn line. Like a great deal of music, especially of the Romantic era, Brahms maximizes the use of tensions and release, long drawn-out dissonances beautifully resolving to great effect. After the introduction, he moves into a passionate allegro section for the main body of the movement, and this is where we find our first excerpt. So bars 46 to 51. It's only short, but this figure comes up throughout the first movement. It's good to be careful of the rhythm, making sure it's 3 semiquavers or sixteenths, and not a triplet on the last beat. As opposed to... Because there are sixes going on everywhere, and they have a bit of a swing feel to them, it's very easy to switch off and play these like triplets. And there's very little difference, but there is a difference. I find it helpful to practice this slower while saying the semis. Digga, 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 digga are your semis. So digga, 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 digga. It just puts it in your head as to what you're supposed to do. A good fingering will give clarity to the second note in each group. I find it also helps to really aim for the second note. Not to accent it, but just as something to aim for mentally. Practice with a shortened long note to get used to not being late on the entry of each group. I like to think of the semiquavers or sixteenths as an upbeat to the long note each time, and so having a short break after each long note might help this. So my bowing in this section, I start on an up bow on the A natural and then hook in each time. So the G, F and E are all in an up bow as well, with a slight break in between. The middle strings at this point in the symphony have a continuous quaver or eighth note that you can hang on to.